Having the right carpet and upholstery spot cleaner can completely change your smart home experience. Today's video is on the top 5 best portable carpet spot cleaners in 2023 through extensive research and testing. So you'll never have to suffer through poor cleaning or steaming. I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Fifth on my list is the Hoover Clean Slate Plus Carpet and Upholstery Spot Cleaner. This spot cleaner boasts powerful suction that effortlessly tackles stains and spills of any size. The 7-wide path tool ensures you cover large areas like stairs with ease, while the tight spot tool reaches crevices and those hard-to-reach areas. The included oxy concentrate works its magic, permanently removing tough blemishes and leaving your carpets and upholstery looking like new. The Hoover Clean Slate Plus is your go-to solution for quick cleanups. Whether it's mud, wine, or pet messes, this portable powerhouse can handle them all. Cleaning the cleaner has never been easier. The hose rinse tool lets you flush out any leftover dirt and debris, ensuring your spot cleaner stays in top-notch condition. No more worries about dirty water mixing with the clean. The Hoover Clean Slate Plus features a dual tank system with a generous 40 ounces clean solution capacity, allowing you to clean larger areas without interruption. In summary, the Hoover Clean Slate Plus Carpet and Upholstery Spot Cleaner is a must-have for any home. With its powerful suction, versatile tools, and efficient cleaning capabilities, it's the perfect solution for any mess, big or small. So why wait? Get your Hoover Clean Slate Plus now and experience the joy of effortless spot cleaning. Please check link in the description box down below and read more information. On my list is the Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. The Bissell Little Green is a powerful and compact cleaning tool that's perfect for pet owners and anyone who needs a quick and efficient way to tackle tough stains. With its portable design, you can easily clean multiple surfaces throughout your home, from carpets to upholstery and even auto interiors. As a pet owner, I know how challenging it can be to deal with those inevitable pet spots and stains. But fear not, because the Little Green is up to the task. Bissell proudly supports the Bissell Pet Foundation, and this cleaner is specially designed to handle tough pet stains and odors. One of the standout features of the Little Green is its spot and stain formula with Febreze freshness. This powerful combination not only removes stubborn stains, but also leaves your carpets and upholstery smelling fresh and clean. Using the Little Green is a breeze. The intuitive controls and lightweight design make it easy to maneuver, even for cleaning tight spots like stairs and area rugs. Overall, the Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Cleaner has been a game-changer for me. Its versatility, pet-friendly features, and ease of use make it a must-have cleaning tool for any household with pets or tough stains to tackle. Plus, knowing that Bissell supports the Pet Foundation's mission to save homeless pets makes this product even more rewarding to own. Please check link in the description box down below and read more information. Third on my list is the Kenmore KLO 2001 Portable Carpet Spot Cleaner. The Kenmore KLO 2001 Portable Carpet Spot Cleaner and Pet Stain Vacuum. It's the ultimate solution to keep your carpets, upholstery, and auto interiors spotless. First off, this spot cleaner packs a serious punch with its powerful suction. It effortlessly lifts stains caused by mud, wine, or those unavoidable pet accidents. No more worrying about stubborn stains ruining your carpets. This little machine can handle it all. Weighing less than 11 ounces, the KLO 2001 is incredibly lightweight and portable. You can take it anywhere in your home, from room to room, or even in your car. Cleaning those hard-to-reach spots is now a breeze. Cleaning has never been easier. Filling and emptying the tanks is a breeze, and guess what? With your purchase, you get a trial size of cleaning formula. No need to buy anything extra to get started. Plus, when you're done, the compact design allows you to store it under a sink or in a closet with no hassle. The KLO and one comes with some fantastic tools to tackle different stains effectively. You get a 3.5-inch tuck stain tool, perfect for those concentrated areas, and a 6.5-inch wide path tool, great for larger surface cleaning. So there you have it, the Kenmore KLO 2001 portable carpet spot cleaner and pet stain vacuum. It's efficient, lightweight, and extremely convenient to use and store. Say goodbye to carpet stains and hello to a fresh, clean home. Please check link in the description box down below and read more information. Second on my list is the Asparin Portable Multipurpose Steam Cleaner. The Asparin Portable Multipurpose Steam Cleaner. Get ready to witness the power of steam cleaning for your car, home, and more. The Asparin steamer comes with a whopping 21 accessories, making it an all-in-one solution for your cleaning needs. With its 1.5 liters tank and 50.7 ounces capacity, you'll enjoy an uninterrupted 50 minutes of powerful steam cleaning. Say goodbye to tough grime and grease. Now, the best part, it preheats in just 4 to 6 minutes after a refill. Amazing, right? No more waiting around for ages to start cleaning. This compact marvel heats up rapidly to 293 degrees Fahrenheit and delivers a strong 4-bar steam pressure, perfect for deep cleaning crevices. What's impressive is the range of accessories included, from floor brushes to stainless steel brushes, ironing brush to squeegee, you name it, they have it. This steamer handles car interiors, carpets, upholstery, floors, tiles, you name it, it'll clean it. Asparin has got you covered in terms of convenience too. Equipped with 360 degrees easy rolling wheels and a sturdy handle, you can move it smoothly from room to room without any hassle. Overall, the Asparin Portable Multipurpose Steam Cleaner has proven to be a game changer in cleaning technology. It's efficient, versatile, and loaded with safety features like a built-in child lock and a sensitive temperature control system. Please check link in the description box down below and read more information. First on my list is the Karcher SC3 Portable Multi-Surface Steam Cleaner. The world of deep cleaning with the Karcher SC3 Portable Multi-Surface Steam Cleaner. The #1 choice for chemical-free, efficient steam cleaning. The SC3 is a powerful steam mop that tackles dirt, grime, and bacteria with ease. With its rapid 40-second heat-up time and continuous steam at over 200 degrees Fahrenheit, this little powerhouse is always ready to take on any mess. Effortlessly clean and sanitize kitchen floors, bathroom tiles, and living area surfaces. Say goodbye to grease, stains, and 99.9% of common household bacteria and viruses, all without harsh chemicals. Thanks to the innovative lamella technology, steam is evenly distributed across the cleaning tool, ensuring a wider cleaning path and greater efficiency. No more back-breaking work. The SC3 comes with a flexible nozzle joint and two 20-inch extension tubes, allowing you to reach tricky spots under furniture and overhead areas with ease. And let's not forget the versatile attachments. From the hand nozzle with a microfiber cover to the spotlight nozzle and small round nylon brush, this steam cleaner can handle every cleaning task you throw at it. So if you're looking for a quick, efficient, and eco-friendly way to keep your home spotless, the Karcher SC3 Portable Multi-Surface Steam Cleaner is the ultimate choice. Please check link in the description box down below and read more information.